Hi students, welcome to my channel. I am Hema. Let us start today's video. Today I am teaching NCERT Class 7 Mathematics Chapter 1 Integers. In my previous video, we have solved question number 1 under the exercise 1.1. Now we will be solving question number 2 to question number 6 in this video. Now let us see question number 2 under the exercise 1.1. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Jack's scores in 5 successive rounds were 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? So there are 5 rounds and in each round these are the scores obtained by him and positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. Okay, so let us move to solve the question. So given scores are 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10. So just we have written down what are the marks obtained by him. Marks given for correct answers. So let us add the positive marks, that is 25 plus 15 plus 10, which is equal to 50. Okay. Now marks given for incorrect answers. So write down the negative marks obtained by him, that is -5 plus of -10. So which is equal to -15. So what is the total marks obtained at the end? So the total marks given at the end is equal to 50 plus of -15, which is equal to 50 minus 15, because plus into minus it is minus. So what is 50 minus 15 is equal to 35. So 35 it is the total score obtained by Jacks at the end. Okay. The next question number 3. At Srinagar, temperature was -5 degrees Celsius on Monday and then it dropped by 2 degree on Tuesday. Dropped by 2 degree mean it is decreased by 2 degree. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degree Celsius. So on Wednesday, what happened? The temperature it is increased by 4 degree centigrade. What was the temperature on this day? So they have given the temperature of Srinagar at Monday, that is -5 degree, and on Tuesday it is decreased by 2 degree. On Wednesday again it is increased by 4 degree. So we have to find out what was the temperature on Wednesday. Okay. So now let us move to solve the question. Initial temperature of the Srinagar on Monday, which is -5 degree Celsius. Okay. And temperature on Tuesday, it is decreased by 2 degree. So for that what we have to do? -5 degree Celsius minus of 2 degree Celsius. Okay. So which is equal to -7 degree Celsius. So temperature was increased by 4 degree on Wednesday. So temperature increased by 4 degree mean it is, we have to add the temperature. So temperature on Wednesday, so -7 degree which was on Tuesday. For that add 4 degree Celsius, which is equal to, what is -7 plus 4 is equal to -3. So -3 degree Celsius is the temperature on Wednesday. Hence the required temperature on Tuesday is equal to -7 degree Celsius and the temperature on Wednesday is equal to -3 degree Celsius. The question number 4. A plane is flying at the height of 5000 meter above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine flowing 1200 meter below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? Just refer the diagram. So from the sea level, the plane is flying at the height of 5000 meter above the sea level, and a submarine is flowing 1200 meter below the sea level. That means it is flowing at a distance of minus 1200 meter below the sea level. So now what we have to do? We need to identify what is the vertical distance between submarine and plane. So let us solve this. Write down from the question height of the flying plane, which is equal to 5000 meter, and what is the depth of the submarine? It is minus 1200 meter. Okay, just compare with the number line, the integer which is above the 0, it is positive, and integer below 0, it is 1200, that is minus 1200 meter. So the distance between them 5000 meter minus of minus 1200 meter. Since we are coming to identify the distance from plane to submarine, we have to come down below the sea level. That is the reason we have to subtract the distance of the depth of the submarine. So we have to write down 5000 meter minus of minus 1200 meter, which is equal to 5000 meter. What is minus into minus? Plus 1200 meter, which is equal to 6200 meter. So hence the vertical distance between plane and the submarine, it is 6200 meter. The next question, question number 5. Mohan deposits rupees 2000 in a bank account and withdraws rupees 1642 from it the next day. If withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? And find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. So they have given deposited amount and also the withdrawal amount, and withdrawal amount is represented by negative integer. That means withdrawal means we are deducting the amount from the total amount, and then they are asking how will you represent the amount deposited. So also we have to find the balance after the withdrawal. So the deposited amount will be represented by positive integers. So whatever the amount we deposit in the bank or we save it in our pockets, we always represent this as a positive integer, because that is the total amount in our balance. So that is rupees 2000. Okay, amount withdrawn, which is equal to 1642 rupees. Okay, in the question they have given the withdrawal amount is represented by a negative integer. So we are deducting. So balance in account is equal to 2000 minus 1642 rupees. Okay, so which is equal to rupees 358. So hence what is the balance in Mohan's account? It is the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal is equal to rupees 358. The next question, question number 6. Rita goes 20 km towards east from a point A to the point B. From B, she moves 30 km towards west along the same road. If the distance towards east is represented by a positive integer, then how will you represent her final position from A? So this is the question. So now let us understand the question in detail. So A is the starting point for Rita. So from point A, she has travelled 20 km towards east, that is point B, and from point B she moves 30 km towards west, that means she comes back along the same direction, and which is if the distance towards east is represented by positive integer, that is 20 km, then how will you represent her final position from A? The distance travelled towards east from point A will be represented by positive integer, that is 20 km plus 20 km, and the distance travelled towards the west from B. So from B will be represented by negative integer because she is travelling back, that is minus 30 km. So the final position of Rita from A. So initially she has travelled 20 km and minus 30 km, which is equal to minus 10 km. So the distance from point A towards hence the required position of Rita will be represented by a negative integer, that is minus 10 km. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share my videos. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to support me, and please press the bell icon for further notifications.